I plan to be seeing the Joker come soon around the 4th of October. You've probably been hearing a great deal of information regarding the film's controversial subject matter. The fact that it's going to support and promote an incel uprising, that there's going to be mass violence and a potential shooting similar to the war of Colorado. The fact that this movie is violent and dark enough that it's not suitable for children, as it has a 15 certificate R rating. Needless to say, the concerns are plentiful. They're very understandable, especially considering the circumstances. But if people are treating this as if it was like the next Clockwork Orange or the natural-born killers, they might be sadly mistaken because the character in of itself, the Joker, is based off a very popular comic book villain from the DC Comics series, Batman's arch nemesis, as always. So if you're coming in this expecting to be influenced or wanting to imitate the likes of the Joker, otherwise known as Arthur Fleck, in this particular film, then you probably have some problems yourself. And let's not forget all the sort of media campaigns that came out around the 1990s and the 2000s when they tried to find ways to censor anything that was deemed remotely, extremely graphically violent, in a way to sort of appease the sort of evangelical majority in the US. The video nasty scare was in response to Mary Whitehouse, which was during the Thatcher years, and the whole scare regarding to video games and Columbine. Very disturbing incidents. I think when you start censoring content, it is a slippery slope in of itself. People will not take on face value saying, oh, we're protecting our children, they'll find it as a way of limiting free speech. Now, there are certain things that really should not be shown or said in the public eye, but I think banning and censoring it by using the law of force of the government sometimes can be a bit of a tricky beast, because then it can be room for abuse. Just saying, I don't like the blue sky because it's blue, go to prison for it. I don't like eating eggs, you go to prison for it. I don't like Jews or Muslims or whites or blacks, you go to prison for it. In fact, what I just said there could have been considered a hate crime. My point case exactly. You just have to know your place when to say certain things, and also be responsible. Otherwise, you got a lot to blame on yourself. I don't endorse violence and hate speech. You just gotta know your boundaries and your surroundings. If you're George Carlin, oh well, but if you're Trump or Boris Johnson, Theresa May, or Emmanuel Macron, got a bit of a problem. This is the word of wisdom signing off.